Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q3 versus Audi Q5. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Q3 is known for its nimble city driving, while the Q5 offers a more commanding presence and enhanced comfort for longer journeys. We'll delve into their performance, interior features, and overall value, ensuring you have all the information needed for an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, both SUVs deliver a refined driving experience, but with different outputs. The Q3 is perfect for urban environments, offering responsive acceleration and easy maneuverability. The Q5, with its more powerful engine options, provides a smoother ride and greater confidence on highways. Its larger footprint also translates to a more substantial feel on the road, appealing to those who prioritize a robust driving dynamic. We'll look at how these differences impact your daily commute. Inside, both the Q3 and Q5 showcase Audi's commitment to luxury and technology. The Q3 offers a sophisticated and comfortable cabin, ideal for individuals or small families. The Q5 elevates the experience with even more premium touches, greater legroom, and a larger cargo area, making it suitable for growing families or those needing extra space. Both come equipped with cutting-edge infotainment and driver assistance systems, ensuring a connected and secure journey. Let's explore the specific tech differences. Ultimately, the choice between the Audi Q3 and Q5 depends on your priorities and budget. The Q3 is an excellent entry into the luxury SUV market, providing style and performance in a compact package. The Q5 offers a more expansive and powerful experience, justifying its higher cost with increased space and features. Consider your daily needs, passenger requirements, and desired level of luxury. Also, for those looking to streamline their week, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.